We're going to have some fun this morning. These are all Roberto Cavalli. They are stunning leaves. They're so pretty. They're so unusual. And I get these fabrics because I know that once you have them, you can make the most unusual garments with them. And they're very designer looking. So that's the goal. They're all today and tomorrow. They're $19.99. So that is just like the price I paid for them. But I don't care because they're so pretty. I just want to share them, you guys. All right, so we'll start with this one. This is you can see like it's got a stripe right through the middle. So what they're doing with this stripe is now this is a viscose knit. It has stretch, I would say one direction. It's got really both, but you can put this going down a side of a pant. You could do it at the bottom. They're doing a lot of it at the waist of a skirt. It's just so much fun. There's just so many ways to play with it. Put it down one sleeve. There's just amazing things to do with it. And you can see his name is all throughout. Cavalli, it had, the name itself, sorry, I'm having a hard time holding it. Cavalli, it's kind of throughout, so you don't really have to worry about placing the name, or you can worry about it, but it's very easy to do because it's quite thorough on this one. Okay, then this next one is a scuba, and it is really fun. It is a panel. So I'm going to try to put the panel, and you can see that burst. It has 2 bursts on each panel. This would be cool to do that new pattern. 94 would be stunning in this. The new, off shoulder would be so pretty in this. But I mean, even if you don't have that, you could do all kinds of just the front here. It's got butterflies. It's all the spring colors. It's beautiful. Just really a bunch of fun. And those are panels, and each panel is like 1 yard. So this is scuba. Could do many things, but it's fun. Stretch in one direction. And then we have, this is a viscose, and it's a woven. I think it just makes a beautiful jacket. I mean, a pair of slacks, it could make a beautiful pair of slacks. Run it this way. You can see a really good looking pair of slacks with just a solid top to it. But it's got great drape, beautiful fabric, and or a jacket. I think a jacket, or even a blouse. You can do so much with this. This is 100% cotton. This is really his signature. Tiger is his kind of a signature deal, and you can see everywhere there's a tiger, there's going to be his signature close by. So you can't really get the tigers on here, and the fabric really goes like this. You can see it a little bit better like that, but here's a tiger, and then you can see not far off is the signature of the tiger. And anytime, especially like this, where there's a good size head on there, you're going to have a signature close by. Right, 100% cotton, and it's a woven, but very lightweight cotton, beautiful cotton. It could be slacks, it could be a blouse, it could be either one. This is a dual border. This is a scuba, so it has stretch in one direction. You can see it's just beautiful, and it's the exact same border on both top and bottom. You can see Cavalli's kind of written all over the place. Beautiful fabric. I love the colors. I love how it morphs into this border, and again, it's the exact same on the other side. It's 60 inches wide, so you can just get a really beautiful, it's just so pretty, it's so unique. And then this last one we have is a viscose, 100% viscose. It's a woven, but the colors are just magnificent. I'm just going to hold it this way for you so you can somewhat see. Sorry about this. They're just beautiful, and you can see the drape there. The flowers, the florals, it's really, you can see the signature is all throughout again. So it's just really, really pretty. There's another signature, Cavalli. This feels like a blouse. It'd be beautiful as a blouse. It feels like a silk. It's not. It's the viscose. So it's very easy care, very low maintenance. But those are just our lovely little fabrics for Monday. And again, they're all $9.99 today and tomorrow. They'll go up to quite a bit more after that, and the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.